Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haq here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be installing some LED lights to the interior. So these are color changing and they're done with the app. This has 3M on it already, so yours should also. So this is controlled by Bluetooth and it's just an app. Change it to whatever color you like in brightness. I've kept it at this color because I like this color. It's like a bluey green color. It'll look better at night. So alright, so you'll need some 3M tape as well, if extra, because we want to stick this down somewhere. So that's the QR code to control this with. Okay, and this is the control for it, turning it on and off. And I don't use that 12 volt for anything because I've got USB there, got USB there, got another USB there. As I've done a video how to put some USBs in. I have another spare one if I want to put another USB there, so I've got plenty of USB options, so I don't need any power from there. So I've never used this actually, and I've never used the ashtray either. I usually just put chewing gum in there, which is there as you can see. So I actually don't use it, so it doesn't bother me that it's open, and it looks cool with the red light. It's like a push to bomb button. I'm joking. Okay, so what we're going to do is 3M it from here to there on the fabric bit, because it gets a better stick. So that'll be stuck there, and then 2 wires will go down there. Oh, look at the Golfa, look at the Golfa. Yo. Okay guys, we're cutting the 3M now. And what I've done is wide it so it's under the other wire, so it's out of the way. So we're getting 3M now, 2 strips. We're going to put 1 strip there, along there, 1 strip there.
Is this too big? Is that enough?
Yeah. Stick on as hard as you can. There you go. You might even get 3 strips on there. No, just do 2.
Is that?
Yeah.
We can do 3 if you want.
Will it fit with 3? Well, we can try it.
Nah. Yeah.
No, it'll be too thick in it.
Yeah.
Unless we'll cut it down a bit. We could cut it down in it.
Yeah.
The sides.
So we'll do this.
That's quite short in it. Will that fit? Yeah. Okay, so we're doing left and right now. So that's 3M there. Stick it as hard as you can. Yeah.
Let's see if it will fit. No.
Yeah, just cut the sides
just,
down, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, we just get another strip on extra just as security. You got it?
Yep.
Okay, now cut it about a centimetre off. More.
No, it's literally just a tiny bit.
Just go a bit more off. It's better to be safe than sorry. Yeah. Cut that straight, yeah. Should be enough, yeah. Just keep going like that. Keep getting stuck on you. Stuck on the scissors.
Yeah.
There you go. Wait, just pull it off. Yeah, wait. Yeah, there. Sorry guys, let me show you what he's doing. There you go.
B.
Okay, let's see. That should fit there. Yeah. That's perfect. Wow. Wow, that's perfect. Look at that. Yeah, just cut the bit off the end. There you go. Okay.
Right.
That's
press
good.
that down for us.
Okay, so you want to press it down for a bit. Make sure it's very tight on there, stuck on there. 3M is very sticky, so yeah. So you want to make sure you get the position right before you take it off. So you want to get it off now. What was that?
Nothing. A bit.
Okay. So we're going to peel this off now, and then we're going to position it properly. That was very nice.
It's well satisfying.
ASMR.
Wait, before you do that.
Okay, you do them.
No, let's press them down. Make sure they're all pressed down.
Yeah. How you go for them?
them?
Yeah, you go for it. I'll do it with your hands.
Sorry about my hands, guys. Just doing some mechanical work.
Oh shit.
You know how it is.
I'm going to get a milkshake with Petrol.
Huh?
I was going to get a milkshake with Petrol. It's 8 o'clock. I completely forgot, man. What you did? Oh, cool. That's going out. I like it. Okay. So as you can see, it's all nice and neat. So we just stick it on now. We just hold it in place. So it's stuck on the public now. And you just want to hold it in place for a bit so it sets. So yeah, that's pretty clean there now, and I can always twist it a bit to reposition it. Yeah, done.
That's what you're not even
That's not even moving. Yeah, that's alright. Okay, so now got the 4 wires there, so we're gonna pull it out of here. Get these wires. Okay, so now we need to figure out which one's left and right. So 2 is left, 2 is right. So it'll be, wait, which way does this wire go? Wait. Okay, so the wire is there. Careful, 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 careful. Okay, this is my right side, yeah. You take your left side, wait. Okay. So 2 is your right, 2 is your left. Is one longer than the other? Let's have a look. Nope. They're both the same size, but if yours is longer, do the front one longer and the back one shorter. Oh look, it's my brother pulled up. Excuse me, sir. I'm trying to busy, very busy, man. Just checking which one's longer on the left side. So it turns out that one's longer, so we're going to run that through the back, and the shorter wire we're going to run to the front.
Come in.
Okay, so we've got the front one now. So we're going to position it so it's directly underneath. Are you not seeing inside? You're doing it from there. Alright. It should be touch what's on there.
Right, so
look for a metal frame this bit, this bit, this bit.
Yeah.
Or could you go further back? Is there anything further back?
Not really. Further back is just like a.
With flat, we need like a flat surface. Yeah, we need a flat surface. This bit here.
No, this.
This bit here.
What do you mean that bit?
Right there.
That's not. This bit's best.
No,
Here.
That's forward. You'll be able to see it from. You'll be able to see the individual lights. You get me?
Right, so you want it?
So you want it? Yeah, right there.
But that's not. That's.
Yeah, that's.
This.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Because look, that's sturdy. Okay. So make sure straight there. Yeah. Right at the back.
Right. You need to be checking my 6.
Okay.
Because if a car comes, runs me over, then that's it. The video's done.
Okay, inshallah. Alright, take the 3M off. Very carefully. Okay, we're going to take the 3M off now. Take the 3M off first, lab. Gari, lab, cars come.
Car come in?
Yes.
Bastards.
That's what I said, you don't need to fully open. ASMR.
It's not really ASMR because you're not up close with it, but you know.
Okay, wait. We need to figure out which way we're doing it. So we want the wires this side, yeah? So that way, yeah?
You want it this way?
And it's going to go about here. Where my hand is now. Can you see? Okay. That flat surface, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that flat,
there,
yeah? Yeah. Go for it. And just stick it on hard, yeah? Push it harder and hold it. And we're going to do some hiding the wires in a minute. So we're going to clean that up. So because it's daylight, you can't really see it that much, but still you can see it. Is it on? Just hold it in place for a bit. Yeah? What do you think?
Yes, sir.
Done? So can you see how on the camera there? If it was further forward, we would be able to see it like that. But now we could just see the light. Because that's what happened on our boost car on the left side by accident. Should have pulled it more further back. So is that alright, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, now we need to hide the wires. So we're going to figure out that. Okay, so we're just hiding the wire up here now.
Yeah.
So pull that up, all the way up. Got loads of extra wire in it. Shove that all in there. So it's all hidden away. Push it more further back.
Pull up.
Go, push it all the way back. You want to leave a bit of wire loose, so it doesn't bang off anywhere.
There you go.
There you go. So it won't get in the way of any passengers. And yeah, you're going to do the same on this side now. And you're going to put it through here as well. You can see the front. It looks quite bright already for daylight. Look how bright it is outside. Yeah. That's pretty bright. So at night time it's going to look even better. So now we're going to do the back one. So you want to move your seat forward and you're going to shove it under your seat, put it on a flat surface and then stick it on anywhere. And yeah, guys, so we ran it through there and it's going to there and then it's gone around there. Can you see this wire here? So this side's coming through there and then the last one's going to go to my front one, the longest one. We're going to use the long one for this side. It's under there to the front, to the top there.
Like what?
Alright guys, we've finished all now. All four on there as you can see. So all the wires are tucked away very nicely. So this wire we ran up here and it just goes there. It's not very nuisance. It's not that big of a nuisance. It's hidden away basically. That wire is there. This one's there. Goes under there. Tucked away, and then the wires carry on from there. Goes under the floorboard there of that. So you can't really see any wires in the back. And then this one tucked away there. Under this, so you can't see them either, and then it goes down there hidden away and ends there. Yeah, there's no wires, and I'll show you what it looks like at night. Guys, it's dark outside now, but there's a lot of light on the street, so yeah, it could go a bit darker than this, but yeah. So this is what it looks like. This is the color I'm going to keep you on because I like this color. This is the color I want to change it to. I can change it to any color I like, but I like this color. I'm going to keep it at this color. It's not too bright, so it won't be distracting me while I'm driving. So yeah, look how nice that is. That's each one. These back ones you can't see, it doesn't go all the way out, but that's probably because it's been positioned weirdly, so it's not that bad though. It still looks alright. I'll show you the back one now. So yeah, that's what it looks like at night. What do you think, guys? Let me know. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing more car videos and you'll see them. And yeah, alright guys, I think they look pretty cool. You can change the color and stuff, flashing, whatever you like. If you want it to music, and so you turn it on and off. So that button's going to look sick in red because this is red as well. Everything's red. And yeah, I'll show you what it looks like at night. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.